Hi, I'm Lexi. If you're looking for filtered water anytime, right from your tap, consider this guy, the Brita faucet filter. Talk about convenient. You get healthier, great-tasting water without the cost or waste of bottles. In fact, one filter can save you up to 750 bottles. That's good for your wallet and the planet. Just turn on the tap and in a flash you've got filtered water whenever you want for whatever you want. Drinking, cooking pasta, making tea or coffee. And you don't have to change the filter for about 4 months. It's easy to install, you don't need tools, and the chrome finish looks great in any kitchen. So there you have it. You've got great water, always on tap.
Remarkably beautiful in its brushed matte finish. It's endured test after test in the lab, exceeding others' performance. It'll take heat from 170 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, operate for twice as long as other air fryers. Why the big fuss over an air fryer? Maybe because it makes much more with more ease than you imagined. Okay. Let's start with the classics. Want fries with that? Of course you do. Fry them to a beautiful crisp. Fry them up guilt-free. Fantastic. Add some veggies to make mom proud, even if you embellish a little. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, dessert. And an indisputable part of many diets, the cheese bowl. You get a recipe book in the box, so that's already 100 ideas to start with. All right, lemon butter salmon, piece of cake. Time to get your mess on. You'll no longer have to deal with this. This might be all you need per recipe. So you guessed it, substantially fewer calories and less fat. In other words, zero guilt. Preheat, keep warm, auto shut off, Fahrenheit to Celsius. It even reminds you when to shake things up. How thoughtful. All these extra functions were designed for your ease. So, you're welcome, Mom. And kids, and those who are on cleanup duty. That's the amazing Cosori air fryer, available in 3.7 and 5.8 quart sizes, so you can start adding fuel to the fryer. Live life tastefully with Cosori.
From the makers of the original Magic Bullet, introducing the NutriBullet, the superfood nutrition extractor. With the NutriBullet, you can turn ordinary food into superfood. Watch. Just load your ingredients into the cup, twist on the extractor blade, pop it onto the power base, and watch how the NutriBullet blasts ordinary foods into superfoods in an instant. Then just separate, give it a quick rinse, and you're ready to go again in seconds.
It emulsifies fruits and vegetables so well that I feel them go right into my system. I feel those ingredients immediately.
I am thrilled to death by the change in my health and how I feel. It's the combination of the fruits, the vegetables, and all the vitamins that are all being emulsified together. It works.
NutriBullet is different because it extracts all the nutrients from the fruits and vegetables and nuts. And I think everybody should do it because you just feel great.
The NutriBullet system is built to last, made from quality construction, and is protected by a full 1-year warranty.